USG6000 has one AC power module and supports the installation of another one for 1+1 backup without power off. If one power module fails, you can replace it without powering off the device. As other USG6000 models use power modules and other specifications, the replacement procedure is only for reference. Let's take a look at the power module appearance and indicators. If the device has any of the following power fault reminders, you are advised to replace the power module. 1. The system information window displays power off power fault. 2. The system log window displays power is fault. 3. The alarm information window displays power is invalid. 4. The status of input or output indicator is off. Before replacement, you need to prepare tools and understand these precautions. When one power module works properly, the procedure is similar for installing or replacing the other power module. The power module replacement is demonstrated here. Step 1. Power off the faulty power module. Step 2. Remove the faulty power module. Step 3. Insert a new power module. Step 4. Connect the power cable. After the device is powered on, the input and output indicators should be steady green. Log into the web UI, choose Dashboard System Information, and check whether power supply module status is normal.